keep your relationship strong forever. When we love, we always strive to become better than we are. When we strive to become better than we are, everything around us becomes better too. Paulo Coelho. We loved with a love that was more than love. Edgar Allan Poe. You can talk with someone for years, every day, and still, it won't mean as much as what you can have when you sit in front of someone, not saying a word, yet you feel that person with your heart. You feel like you have known the person for forever. See Joy Bell C. A loving relationship is one in which the loved one is free to be himself, to laugh with me, but never at me, to cry with me, but never because of me, to love life, to love himself, to love being loved. Such a relationship is based upon freedom and can never grow in a jealous heart. Leo F. Buscaglia. Love that stammers, that stutters, is apt to be the love that loves best. Gabriela Mistral. I love you without knowing how, or when, or from where. I love you simply, without problems or pride. I love you in this way because I do not know any other way of loving but this, in which there is no I or you, so intimate that your hand upon my chest is my hand, so intimate that when I fall asleep your eyes close. Pablo Neruda. We cannot really love anyone with whom we never laugh. Agnes Repplier. It is not our purpose to become each other, it is to recognize each other, to learn to see the other and honor him for what he is. Hermann Hesse. Be honest, brutally honest. That is what's going to maintain relationships. Lauryn Hill. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. Lao Tzu.